So this was a really fun project for me because I got to create something for all of my amazing makeup artists that I work with. It's a serum and moisturizer in one, and it's called Wrinkle Warrior. So I went to all of my friends and colleagues that are makeup artists here in Hollywood who work on the most famous faces in the world, and I asked them, what do you guys need to transform skin? And they all said hydration and also evening out of skin texture. Hyaluronic acid is something well known in the skincare industry, and it really holds 1,000 times its weight of water in the skin cell. We have a mid-size molecule that actually gives you that plumping in the mid-range of the skin. And then we have a larger molecule size that lays on top, so it's gonna bridge any gap if you have any wrinkles or enlarged pores. You can use it after clean, dry skin, and it can be the first thing that you apply. One personal trick that I have is I apply my concealer to the back of my hand and one pump of Wrinkle Warrior, and I mix it in, and so I get that plumping effect under my eyes, and it really makes my concealer go on more smooth. So if you're someone that really needs superior hydration and you want to really even out the texture of your skin, that is what I created this for, is to plump, hydrate, and even out skin texture under makeup.